If you want to buy a good beanbag in 2026, there are two important things you need to check. First, the right size, and the second, the material. As choosing the wrong size can affect your comfort, especially if you are taller or heavier. Look at this chart to choose the right beanbag size based on your height and weight. If you're around 80 to 90 kg, you can consider a 2XL beanbag. If 100 to 110, a 3XL would be a better choice. In this video, I'm going to recommend you best budget-friendly beanbag. If your budget is around 1500 and you are looking for a completely pre-filled beanbag, here are the two good options. The first option is from Flipkart Perfect Homes. It's a 3XL beanbag that comes with a footstool and cushion, and it features a crocodile textured fox leather finish. It also comes pre-filled with beans. You can get this complete set for around 1400 rupees. I have used this beanbag myself, and honestly, the build quality is not the best. But considering the price, especially under 1500 rupees, I still think it's one of the best option available in the market. The second best option in this price range is from Amazon's brand Solmo. This is also a 3XL pre-filled fox leather beanbag. However, there's one important difference. Unlike the Flipkart Perfect Homes option, Solmo beanbag comes without a footstool or cushion. That means you will have to purchase those separately. Now, there are two common complaints that you will notice with these beanbags that comes under 1500 rupees. The first is the size. Many people simply choose the wrong size. So always check your height and weight before selecting a beanbag. And the second is insufficient filling. Since these beanbags, they come pre-filled, the amount of beans may not always be enough for everyone. So depending on your body weight and how firm you want the beanbag to feel, you may need to add some extra beans later for better support and comfort. Now moving to segment 2. If your budget is around 2000 rupees and you specifically want a 4XL beanbag with a cushion and footrest, there are several options available both on Amazon and Flipkart. And the first option is Giggling 4XL beanbag. It comes around 1900 rupees and you get free cushion and footrest. The beanbag also comes pre-filled with beans. And the second option is Biggie Bean 4XL. This one is also come pre-filled and comes with cushion and footrest, and you can get it around 2000 rupees. Biggie Bean brand also has another interesting option at around 2100. The main difference here is the design. Instead of the regular beanbag shape, you get a more sporty and printed design. So if you want something different and more eye-catching, you can consider this one as well. Before proceeding further, keep one thing in mind. You can definitely relax on a beanbag for 20 to 30 minutes, but I wouldn't recommend using it as a full-time bed because it doesn't provide proper spinal support, which could lead to back discomfort over time. So just use beanbag for 20 to 30 minutes, then you can take a walk, then use it again. Now coming to, if you prefer a round or circular design in the same price range of 2000 rupees, there are two more good options that come up. One from Biggie Bean and another from Fernod. These also comes with cushions and footrest. So in this price range, I have suggested you 4 to 5 beanbags. In terms of overall build quality and material, most of these options are quite similar. The main issues you might face are the size and the filling. So once you have checked the size according to your height and weight, you can simply choose any of these options based on the design you like the most. Now moving to segment 3. In this segment, we are looking at beanbags that do not come pre-filled. So if you prefer to buy the beanbag cover separately and fill it yourself, here are few good options to consider. The first good option is Sarah 24 beanbag. It's a full 4XL size beanbag with good overall quality and it costs around 800 rupees. However, keep in mind that beans are not included, so you will need to purchase the filling separately. And the second good option is Maurice Moray Luxury Fox Fur beanbag. If you want something softer and more comfortable for studying, gaming and working from home, this can be a good option. The fox fur material give it a soft and cozy feel, making it quite different from the regular fox leather beanbags. But this one is expensive, cost around 1600 rupees. But again, it comes without beans, so you will have to buy the filling separately. And if you're wondering where to buy these beans, so there are several options available both on Amazon and Flipkart. The one such option is from Amazon Solmo brand. You can get around 500 grams for approximately 750 rupees. Another option is from Casa Copenhagen, which offers around 2 kg of beans for approximately 1000 rupees. And you can also consider from Satwa brand, which offers around 1 kg for approximately 900 rupees. So basically, there are several other brands available as well. So I would recommend comparing the price per kg before purchasing. If you still have any doubt regarding beanbag, then please comment.